What's going on, world? Little spring cleaning or, you know, winter cleaning. So I got boxes laying around. My first YouTube video. I got these before they dropped. November 30th was the day that I received my concords. I'm not one who likes to do those reviews or anything like that, but I just wanted to, do a little unboxing of my own because honestly, I have never touched these since they came. And same thing with my Space Jams, which was 2016 holiday season, as we all know. I have yet to touch them. The box got a little messed up on my Space Jams in the midst of moving things around and changing the room and transporting them as I go between, visiting family and, the new place where I have all my sneakers at my collection. So the box got messed up in certain edges on the Space Jams, but it's cool though. Shoe itself, untouched. As far as the concords go, see that black wrapping paper? You just see it. I know you see the gray box, the OGs. He got games in there. Those should be the flu games. Those are the shadow ones. The orange label, orange box top, those are Flint 12s. This one here should be the 8s. Katrina 3s. You know that universal box right there speaks for itself. Just the packaging for the Space Jams and the Concords is just so dope. I mean, how could you not love it? That OG black box top, it's so iconic. And just looking at the light, the way it just shines off of that platen, it's crazy. Growing up here in Coney Island, everybody had this shoe. Everybody and their mother had this shoe. I remember when I was a little kid, I seen Busta Rhymes in the Woo Ha Got You All in Check video, and he was the first person I seen not named Michael Jordan with them on. And that was crazy to see that video with him rocking them and then bouncing all over the place. The shoe itself is just iconic. That jump, man. You can see the widow's peak in certain spots. The true OG cut. That ballistic nylon. That white leather. Most people, again, diehards, OGs, we know about what this is going to do. We wish it was probably stitched on like the way it was with the Space Jams, but, it's still not oh my God, I hate it. No. These are still the icon. These are still the GOAT. You could just see, man, it's just so beautiful. That translucent soul, everything about them is just so beautiful. This was the one. This was the one. And it came out right. It came out the right way. It's just flawless in the execution by Nike, in the crafting of the shoe. Everything was done in such a way. Like I can never say enough. I can never say enough about how beautiful this shoe is because it's truly iconic. It is the Grail for most people. That's why it's got the nickname the Grail. Space Jams. We all know what time it is with the Space Jams. We all know. Again, I just hate that the box got a little messed up on that piece. But the slide out packaging box. Just even the inner of the box is fire. It's just I really don't know which one I love more. Seeing just that hit of Concord, how dark and muted it is. Just that you can see the white as the from the patent leather and the higher cut. You can see shoe trees, the inner. Again, that sole. It's majestic, man. The Space Jams have this regal look to it. The Concords and the Space Jams both are a 10 out of 10 in terms of how it was made, the overall aesthetic of it, the comfort, and when they age well. We all don't like the creasing on 11s, especially the toe box area, that upper midfoot. Don't like the creasing. Nobody likes ankle creasing, especially. The yellowing on the sole, unless you got sole protectors. People want to do the OG way, sea glow, but not many people sea glow no more. People get sole protectors to keep it icy. I say wear your joints. I'm an OG sneakerhead, sitting on that round number, heading towards 600 pairs. This is like a staple that most people would have, a pair of crispy 11s, but to have two of the grails, like it doesn't get better. Yeah, man. First video. Just want to show a little love to my sneakers as I'm going through some cleaning and reorganizing and moving stuff around. I got a lot of boxes to move around. I'm sitting on the edge of the bed because I'm surrounded by a bunch of stuff because I was cleaning. But that's it, man. First YouTube video, go. From time to time, maybe I'll do a little something. But that's it for now, world. Coney Island to infinity and beyond.